Hi, I'm Griffin Cataldo, and this report is coming to you from eastern Massachusetts, where the air temperature is currently 53 degrees in the eastern part of the state. We have some alto stratus clouds over our head right now, and that's from an area of low pressure off our coastline. Plenty of moisture for this low pressure system to work with, and low pressure causes higher areas of higher pressure or air to move into the low pressure area to kind of balance out the pressure gradient, but that causes lifting, and when you got a lot of moisture, you can get some clouds, some rain, but we don't have to deal with the rain because of the dry environment we're in. So we got those clouds from our low pressure system. They move to our area from the south-southwesterly breeze in the winds aloft, the south-southwesterly winds aloft, bring those clouds into our area, but they evaporate pretty quickly because of the dry conditions that we're with. So by the time they get here, they're just a condensed version of rain clouds. We call those alto stratus clouds, as they take on the kind of stratus cloud appearance, but they're more white than the traditional stratus clouds. These are mid-level clouds. Stratus clouds are generally in the lower levels of the atmosphere. So those should be departing by the time we get to, I'd say, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. The moisture will kind of be sliding south as we head over the next few days, but the winds aloft, the south-southwesterly breeze that we have up in the atmosphere is going to shift to more of a southwesterly breeze versus the south-southwesterly breeze, and that'll kind of take the clouds and push them away from southern New England. They'll kind of miss southern New England, and maybe they clip the Cape overnight tonight, but that's about the extent of it. We should lose the clouds by the time we get to tonight, and it'll be kind of a chilly night tonight, but not as bad as we had last night, and that's because our jet stream is beginning to form a ridge up to our north. It's beginning to slide to the north, and we're accompanied in this ridge, and so that allows southerly flow of warm air to move into the region. But the problem is we have a lot of winds aloft right now. It's just kind of getting started. It's not very pronounced, and so we don't get a whole lot of warm air, but it's a little bit warmer than yesterday, than last night, where we did get some frost in the western part of the state. So I think the majority of us stay above freezing tonight. I don't see really many locations that get below freezing, as the southerly flow should be bringing in some relatively warm air compared to the cool nights that we've had in the past few nights. So not too bad above freezing for most of us. By tomorrow, it's a little bit warmer than today. I'd say we're sitting in the upper 50s, and once again, that's courtesy of our southerly warm air moving into the region. But it's really not until we head towards Saturday, Sunday, Monday that we do the significant warming. Even into Tuesday, it looks to be pretty warm, and that's because the winds aloft that kind of obstruct the warm air from flowing into the region are going to let down, and so that will allow nice warm air to flow into the region by the time we talk about Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So I think Monday, Tuesday is the warmest out of the warming trend. So I'm thinking we're sitting in the 70s for almost all of us. Mid 70s in the western part of the state, low 70s in the eastern part of the state. But once we get to Tuesday, we take on a bit of a southeasterly breeze, an easterly breeze turning into a southeasterly breeze, and that may cool the eastern part of the state down just a little bit, as the ocean will be cooler than the land, and that brings in cool air off the ocean. So we call that a sea breeze, and the sea breeze may mitigate the temps just a little bit in the eastern part of the state versus the western part of the state, where I think we're sitting in the mid 70s again for Tuesday. We'll kind of get around average after that. The jet stream should dip just about accompanying over us, and once it's over us, we get about average temperatures as we get the sunshine, but no significant warm or cool air pushing into the region. So we'll keep our eye on that. Otherwise, expect wall-to-wall sunshine for tomorrow. Maybe just a few clouds in the southern Connecticut or southern Rhode Island area, but I don't think we're really going to get much out of it because our moisture is sliding to the south, and an area of high pressure is sliding in, and it's a significant high pressure system with millibars of about 1,028 millibars. So that's significant, and that really does compress the clouds that go on as they try to form. It really mitigates the lifting that goes on into the atmosphere. So I don't think we got to worry about any clouds tomorrow. Wall-to-wall sunshine for tomorrow, wall-to-wall sunshine for the next few days, as high pressure will be well in control. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night, and enjoy the little sunshine that we have this afternoon.